Today
we're gonna make
chocolate
cookie.
oatmeal.
Oatmeal cookies.
What are the things that we need?
We need
Vanilla,
vanilla,
peanut butter. Yeah. What else?
we need
What's that?
milk.
Milk. And what's that? It's a sugar.
Sugar.
Is that a solid or a liquid?
Liquid.
The sugar. Is it a solid or a liquid?
Liquid.
This one?
No.
What's this?
Sugar.
Yeah, sugar. Is it a solid or a liquid?
Liquid.